Yeah, today I want to open the new file here. You can see here, you can see already right? Yeah, you can see the file is there. So just I'm clicking the file and we click the new file, and here just I'm giving, here is, you can see here the plain text, right? The plain text here. Just I'm giving the plain text. I'm going to HTML here. Okay, HTML, and save this file. Control S. Okay, just I'm saving this file. Control S. You can see here also, you can see here save file. You can see what is that? It is a control S, right? So that's why I'm opening this control S. It is start code of control S. Okay, here I'm giving the class 2. Class 2.html, it is a it's not mandatory, it's optional. We already select in this sublime. Okay, enter. You can see. Can you please tell me what is the structure of an HTML? Actually, we already discussed, right? Just I'm giving HT only, right? So HT, you need to give it automatically comes. Just you need to enter. Okay, just you need to enter, and just I'm giving the title. What is the title here? Just I'm giving front-end technologies. Class 2. Okay, just I'm giving class 2. Save this file and open the new browser. Okay. Here, where is the file here? You can see the file is here. You can see, yeah, the file is here, right? So we need to click, double click. You can see in this page is empty, right? In this page empty. Okay, and we can see here this is the, yesterday we already discussed the class 1 of the class will file name. Okay, just I'm removing this one. Okay, this is the page I want to, today I'm going to explain. Okay. Okay, the yesterday what are the topics we completed, right? Heading tags and paragraph tags and order list and unordered list and bold tag and italic tags and strong tag and emphasis. So these are, we yesterday we will be completed, right? Today, okay, just I'm giving here the heading tag. Okay, heading tag just I want to take here. Okay, just I'm giving here the front end technologies. We just need to paste. Let's save this file and open the browser. Just need to refresh the page. Control R. Control R means it is a reload the page. You can see this is a H2 tag. Okay. Okay. Here just I want to add some content. Okay, that is a paragraph tag. Okay. Okay. Where you can take, here you need to dummy content is the right. So dummy content you need to click. Okay, dummy content. Just I'm clicking here. Any content. Just I'm giving dummy content only. Okay. I am taking just 2 or 3 lines only. Control C and come to this one here. Control V. Simple. This is the one of the paragraph tag. Okay. Control S. Open the browser. Just need to refresh the page. Refresh. Okay. This is the one of the, yeah. Okay. Here here just I'm adding one of the image. Okay. Let's see how can I add the image in browser. Okay. Okay. What is the tag required? Yeah. So don't be late. Okay. So yeah. Here, just I'm giving here the H tag, and here is one of the paragraph tag. Okay, here one is a paragraph tag, and just I'm giving here one of the image. Just I want to give. Okay, let's see. Just I'm copying this content again. Control C, and again I'm giving here. Just save. Okay, and what is the image tag here? I want to add one image. How I can handle the in this image? Just I want to require only image tag only. IMG. This is a required. We need to click enter. We can see it comes as search, right? So it will be, there is a link. Okay, just I'm giving the nothing here. Just I'm giving, okay, I'm nothing here. Okay, just you need to save this file. Okay, just you need to save and open the browser. You need to, you can refresh the page. Nothing will be right. So that's why it not come, right? So just I'm giving nothing. Okay, just I'm giving here. Yeah, like photo dot jpg. Okay, just you need to save. I'm just giving the photo name. You can see here. You can see like it comes like photo, but there is no photo. Okay, just you need to know what is the in this image files. There is a three types of image here. Okay, okay, here is three types of images. One is one is jpg file. Okay, one is jpg file, and second one is png file, and third one is web file. Web file. Yeah, we can see here what we'll do that here. Just you need to three types of files is there. So here in this file, just I'm giving. So what will give here? You can see here. You can see not here, right? This is yesterday class, right? Just I'm removing this class. Yes, save. Okay, this is we are discussing now. Okay, here is there is a photo.jpg, but in this file, okay, where is that in this the class2.html? Okay, in this class.html here only. Okay, here you can see there is no image. Okay, there is no image, and so that's why you need to download the one image. Okay, you need to download the one image. How we can download the image? Just you need to take the browser. Like just I want to get any image. Just I'm taking like the friendly technologies. Okay, like Mahesh Babu function. Okay, yeah, you can see there is a lot of images here. Okay, just you need to pick the one. Okay, we need to pick the one image. Okay, okay, just I want to pick the, like I think this is good, I think. Okay, just I want to pick this one. Okay, just you need to just to click this one, and we can see two types of we need to take. Okay, just I'm giving first one. You can see here the copy image address. Okay, just need to this one. Okay, but understanding purpose, just I'm writing here. One is upload the image. Okay, by copying the image address. Copying the image address, and second thing is save the image. Save the image in same folder. Okay, understand purpose, just I'm writing here. Okay, 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 just I'm giving this one. Okay, this one. Just we already, okay, go to browser. Yeah, go to browser. Nothing okay, the so members are joining node cell. Okay, nothing we are discussing here. Here only just I want to write here one of the h1 tag here. Okay, one of the h1 tag, and the second one is the paragraph tag, and third one is the image tag. In this image tag, just I want to add the photo. Okay, how can I add the image? We can see there is a only the files are the jpg file, the png file, and web file. Okay, here the upload the image by copying the image address in live, and it is online. Okay, it is online. It is online. You need to have a require the data. Okay, here is there is a offline. Okay, I think it is more clear. Okay, this is online, this is offline. Okay, okay, just you need to just I'm giving the online here. Okay, go to browser and select the image. I want this image, I want to select. Okay, just you need to copy this one. You can see here the copy image address. Just I want to take this one. Okay, the image address will be copied. Okay, the image address will be copied. Here is the code. Okay, here is the code. Okay, just I am giving this inside, just I'm control V. Okay, control V. We can see the link will be there. Okay, once am I telling here, once am I repeat here, you can see just need to come. You can take any image here. Just you need to come and copy image address and copy image address and come to code, and we need to paste here. Okay, okay, you need to here. Just is image tag. Just you need to paste. Just you need to paste. Control S. Control S. Open the browser. Just you need to refresh the page. Okay, just you need to refresh the page. You can see what will be the output here. There is an image. Okay, not will be like that. Okay, as you can see here. Simply just I want to add the image. Okay, okay. You want to more the okay. This is one of the uh, like we need to upload the browser. Okay, what is the second one here? Okay, what is the second one? Here you can see the second one is save the image the folder in offline. Okay, okay, okay. I want to take another image. Okay, like okay. Just I'm taking here Prabhas. Okay, just I'm taking the Prabhas here. You need to select one image. Okay, which image is good? I think yeah. I think the image is this image. I think okay. Just I'm copying this one code. You can see this is the image. Okay, this is the image. This is the image. Just you need to copy this code. Okay, you can see here. Just you need to save the. You can see the copy image address. Okay, just you need to copy this one. We can see already copied. We can see just you need to come here. We need to here you can see copy image address. Copy image address. Go to the code. Okay, just this is the code. Okay, this is the code. Just I'm writing here again I'm writing here img. Okay, this is the image tag. Enter. Just you need to paste the. Just you need to control V. Okay, already copied, right? Already copied in this here. This image will be already copied, so that's why come here. Just you need to paste. Control S. Here there is a two images. Go to here browser. Just you need to refresh the page. Just nothing, but the image will be there. Here you can see the image will be here. Okay, okay. Here you can see, but image is too. It is image will be too big, but I want to. It will be small size. How can do this? Just need to come here. Okay, just need to come here. Okay, we already do this is online, right? Just need to give the height and width. Okay, just doing entire thing here. How can do this offline? Okay, how can do this offline? Simple. We need to come photos here, and we need to download any image here. Okay, just I want to require the image. Okay, this I want to refine. Okay, in this image just I want to, okay, in this image just I want to save this image. Just need to click here. Just need to copy, sorry, save image as. Okay, save image as, you need to click here. Just I'm giving the desktop. Okay, desktop. Okay, desktop, nothing here. So desktop, the name is photo 1. Okay, the name is photo 1. You can see here in bottom side there is a jpg, right? It automatically it comes in jpg file. Just need to save. That's simple. Okay, you can see here there is a bottom. Yeah, we can see there is a bottom here, the photo, right? Okay, we need to go to the code. Just you need to remove this entire thing here. Okay, okay, here also just have remove this. Okay, okay, we can see. Okay, just you need to, just I'm giving the photo name. Okay, what is the photo name here? You can see here the photo dot jpg file. Okay, okay, just you need to give photo 1 dot jpg. Okay, this I want to give. Here also same I'm giving. Okay, that's fine. Okay, Vashant. Okay, we will discuss the SVG, the canvas. Okay, don't worry. Let me complete the image tagger. Okay, when the topic it comes, definitely I will do. Okay, and here you can see just I am giving here the same photos here. The photo 1.jpg. Okay, yeah, jpg. Just I'm giving same names. Okay, just need to save. Come to browser. Just need to refresh here. Okay, just need to refresh. Okay, I already removed these links. Okay, refresh. You can see I am giving already the photo1.jpg, but it will be show, didn't show. So that's why. Where is the files here? Okay, in this file where will be saved? Okay, you can see here is desktop and batch 2021. In that the class2.html. Okay, in this file there is no images, so that's why it's not showing. Okay, just an drop, just need to drop here. You can see photo.jpg. Let's see. Come to browser. Just need to refresh the page. We just need to refresh the page. You can see it's showing good, right? Yeah, but the sizes will be too high, so that's why I'm giving here the sizes also. Just need to give height here, height and width. Okay, height. Okay, height just I'm giving 20 height, like okay, again just 40. Okay, and width is giving, okay, width just I'm giving like 60. Okay, let's save this file and open the browser. Just need to refresh the page. Just need to refresh. Okay, I'm giving in this image only. In this image I didn't give. Okay, so that's just showing like this. We just need to give 600 here. Just need to give 400 here. Let's see. Save and open the browser. Refresh. You can see like this. Okay, we need to give images sizes also. Here is 250. Here also 450. Okay, let's save. Open the browser. Refresh. I think good. Okay, I'm decreasing size also here. 150. Here is 250. Okay, in this height and size I'm giving the another one also. Okay, just I'm giving another one here. Just need to paste. Okay, let's see. Same here. Save. Open the browser. You can see. I think good, right? Okay, I'm adding another image also. Okay, just need to copy this one. Okay, and paste here. Let's save. Open the browser. Refresh. Okay, I think good. Okay. Okay, let's see. Just I'm giving. Just I'm not giving this. I think it will be like there is a mistake. I'm removing the one. Okay, just I'm removing the one. Let's see. Save this file. Open the browser. You can see the image will be not displayed. Okay, That purpose we will be use an alternate. Okay, ALT. Okay, ALT. That is the alternate we are using. You can see, just I'm giving here, when the image will be not there in that file, why it not will be, photo will be not execute, right? You can see the photo in that there is a name, right? So go to the file here. In that file, the photo.jpg, there is no file, only the photo1.jpg there is. So that's why it's not showing. Okay, and that purpose we need to use alternate. ALT means it is a alternate. Okay, the image will be uploaded soon. That's simple. Okay, let's see. Let's save. Open the browser. Just refresh page. In that, replace the content. Refresh. You can see the image will be uploaded soon. So that purpose. Okay, there is a image. You can see there is a image name exactly correct. Let's see how can do this. Let's save. Open the browser. Just need to refresh. You can see. Okay, it will be execute. Okay. So alt is there is a alternate purpose. When the execute, when the code will be, when the code, when there is no photo here, so that purpose the alternate will be execute. I think the image tag will be over here. Okay, we already told you, right? Here there is a, okay, I want to change here in this, like middle image. Okay, I want to change middle image. Let's see. Okay, go to Chrome, select one new image. Okay, just I'm giving, the name is, okay, just I'm giving, the name is here NTR. I want to upload the image. Okay, wait. I think this is good. Okay. Just I want to upload this image. Okay. Let's see. Just you need to tap on the right click. We need to copy image address. Okay. Copy image address. Let's go to the code. Just I'm giving here, in that, just I'm giving this one. Okay. We can observe here, we already given height and width. So that why the file will be, there is a, what will be required, the sizes. Okay. Just I mean here is control V. Here there is a, the copy images will be copied. Here just I'm pasting. Let's save. Open the browser. Refresh. Open the browser. Refresh. You can see. Okay. Yeah, that's good. So it is very simple to create the new page. Okay. It is a, yeah. If you have any doubts and queries in that, the image will tab will be over. So regarding any queries in that image tag, you can ask me. Otherwise, I will discuss the audio tag and video tag. Okay. Clear on that image tag, everyone? Okay, next I will discuss the audio tag and video tag. Okay. Okay, the next one here will be completed here. Okay, simple. Okay, at the next one here, just I'm giving here the audio tag. Okay, audio tag, AUDIO. Automatically it comes, right. We can just enter. Okay. Okay, source. Wait a second. You can see we already discussed. I think it will be over, right? Image tag will be over. Okay. Next we will discuss the anchor tag. Okay. Anchor tag. It is simple. It is simple. It will be anchor tag. In that, we can see, in that, just I want to give the, just I want to change in this image also. Let's see. Just I want to change image, like another image, like another hero. Just I want to add in that image here. Just I want to add in this image. Okay, just you need to click this one, the right click and copy image address. Okay, just you need to save this image. Okay, don't worry. Just I'm saving here, where I am saving in that file. Okay, in that file we will be button should be add. Okay, the photo. Okay, dot jpg file. Okay, automatically take, but just I'm giving here. Okay, just I click enter the code, and just I'm giving here in that photo 2. Okay, photo 2. Let's save this page, open the browser and refresh. That's simple. Okay, just I'm researching the sizes. Okay, when the boost of it comes, it will be same answer. Okay, yeah, it will be changed. Okay, I want to provide here, in that there is a link. Okay, in that also there is a link, in that also there is a link. Just I want to, okay, just I want to provide the in that link. Okay, so that purpose we need to, okay, so that purpose we need to take here. What is that here? Just I'm giving the anchor tag less than a and enter. Okay, it is a b. Welcome. Okay, just need to give a. Okay, a href. This is a link. Okay, href. This is a, and there is a open tag is there, but there is a closing tag. Okay, this is a anchor tag. Okay, just I'm giving here the Prabhas photo. Okay, Prabhas photos. Okay, Prabhas photos, and the second one is, okay. Let's see. Let's save this page. Okay, let's save. Okay, we can open the browser. Just you need to refresh the page. You need to refresh. You can see here. Okay, the Prabhas photo is there. You can see the Prabhas photo is there. Okay, okay. Again, just I'm refreshing. Okay, but it's showing. You can see the again it will be, there is a problem here. So just you need to change the width. Okay, width size you need to change. Just you need to give the 200. Okay, just need to give the 200. Simple. Just I'm giving the 200. Let's save. Open the browser. Refresh. That's simple. Okay, we can see yesterday we already discussed about the I think there is a, we already discussed about the concept is the horizontal line and the break line, right? So here we just I want to in this bottom side, just I want to require. Okay, in that just I want to require in the bottom. Let's see how can do this. Okay, let's see how can do this. Let's need to come here. Okay, come to code. Just you need to give the br. Br means it is a break. Okay, br means it is a break. Control S, open the browser. Okay, let's say just need to refresh. Just need to refresh, or it will be in that, it will be bottom will become. Okay, let's refresh. You can see we just I'm giving here 1 2 3 also 1. Okay, let's save. Open the browser. You can see refresh. Okay, one dot Pravas. Okay, again I want to 3 1 this here. Just need to copy this one and refresh and paste here. This 3 here. Okay, and second one is NTR photos. Okay, and third one is Pratik, right? Let's save. Open the browser. Let's see. Refresh. Just I'm saying here. Just need to refresh. We can see. Okay. Okay, it will be there. Just need to. Let's see. Just I'm adding nothing here. Okay. So that is the required you need to give. Okay. Yeah. That is you need to require. You need to give like this. You need to click this one. Nothing will be open. Here also just nothing will be open. Nothing will be open. Just need to give here. Simple. You need to give any link. Any link you need to give. Okay. Just I'm giving here Google. Okay, just I'm giving. Okay, here I'm giving here the youtube.com. Okay, just need to give, you can see this is a youtube. Okay, youtube.com, just need to save the control C. Okay, and come to code, just I'm giving here youtube. Okay, this is a youtube, like just I want to give. Okay, here also just I'm giving here, here also just I'm giving. Okay, just I'm giving here this facebook. Okay, here is google. It give any name. Okay, just google. Let's see, you need to save. Okay, the first one will be go to youtube, and second will be it will be facebook, and third one will be to go to the google. Okay, okay, let's see. Let's refresh. Just I'm clicking under page. Okay, I'm opening the new tab. I'm opening the new tab. Okay, let's see. First one is youtube. Okay, and what is the second one? Second one is almost the facebook, right? You can see facebook. And third one is, I think, google, right? Google. Let's see. So whatever you need to give the names, okay, it will be open. Okay, 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 okay. Just yesterday we already discussed the name is, here is the class one.html, right? So just I want to give the in this one also. Okay, just control Z. Okay, control Z. Just I'm giving control Z. Simple. What is yesterday? The class one dot, okay, class one.html. This yesterday we already giving this, right? Class one.html. Yeah. Just I'm giving here also the class one.html. Okay, we need to give page names also here. Okay, the class1.html. Simple. Nothing, just I'm giving in this class name. Yesterday we already uh, write a code, right? Just need to save, open the browser. Just you need to refresh the page. Just need to refresh. Nothing will be changed, but here is there is a links will be changed. Okay, just I'm clicking here, new page, and in here also new page. Okay, and here Hutik also new page. We can see, just I'm opening three also, it will be same link. Okay, so that purpose we need to use the hyperlinks. So we need to give any links here. Okay, I think the anchor tags also here is over. Okay, the next one is the audio tag and video tag. Okay, okay, let's see how can do this in audio tag and video tag. Okay, the next one is audio tag and video tag. Okay, audio, enter, source, just click enter. You can see this is the, yeah, this is the structure. Okay, the audio tag structure. Okay, you need to give the, here is, we need to give the audio tag. Okay, here is mp3 audio, right? Oh, this is mp3, right? MP3 and r audio. Okay, okay, just I'm giving here is same three, control C, control C. Okay, just I want to require three. Okay, that's why I'm giving the, here is three. Okay, here give the control. Okay, and controls, it is a control. Okay, control. And I want to give here is the image the name. Okay, just I'm giving here chinnari, chinnari.mp3. Okay, chinnari.mp3. This is the song I want to record. Okay, let's see, save and open the browser. It should refresh. Nothing is there, right? How to code? Here you need to select the song. Okay, you can see here is song. There is no song, right? So you need to give the song names also. Okay, just you need to come here. But you need to download here is Google the songs. Okay, Okay, songs like just need to give any name of like just I want to recently Bahubali. Okay. Yeah, just need to view the songs here. Just need to download this any song. Okay, like just I'm okay. Just Mamatala Talli. Okay, just I want to hear is Mamatala Talli. Okay, just you need to download this one. Okay, just need to download. Just need to download. You can see that the file is here, right? So just you need to take this file. Okay, where is the file here? The file will be download, right? So go to download. Okay, and this copy this one, copy this one, and come to okay. I'm going to download. Okay, come to desktop. Come to this one. Just I'm giving here only. Okay, but I want to change the name. Okay, rename. Okay, rename. What is the name here? Here is Bahubali. Okay, just I'm giving here is Prabhas. Okay, simple. Okay, just I'm giving here his name is Prabhas. Let's see, there is a two types. Okay, here is a audio and here is a video. Okay, let's see. And let's tell me, tell me. Yeah, now it's audible. Yeah, it is audible to everyone. Say yes on the chat box. Comfortable? Yeah, it is audible to. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Yeah, okay, that's fine. Okay, here we can suggest you need to refresh. Okay, just need to take this one. I want to hear his Prabhas, right? Array BH. You can see the name will be should be same. Okay, MP3. Okay, here also yes is controls. Okay, let's save this file and open the browser. Refresh. You can see there is a song is there, but it's not showing. You can see, but this it shouldn't. I want to come in the, like bottom side. Just I want to give his break. Okay, just I want to just I'm giving his break here. Okay, we are okay. Just I'm giving his break. Let's save. Open the browser. Refresh. And the song will be visibly bottom side, but the song will be not played. Okay, so we can check it once. The name will be should be same. Okay, let's see. Go to the yeah, go to the song name. Okay, what is the song name here? They should give song dot not in the jpg, it is a png file. Okay, let's see. Just need to copy this song name, copy this one. Good. So not here. Let's save. Wait a second. Wait, not come. Okay, wait a second. You can see here, just I'm changing here the audio and MP3 here. Okay, let's see. Please listen, please listen, guys, when song will be playing. Okay, we can decrease the increase volume also here. So that's we are taking this like this. Okay, images. Sorry, this is audios. Okay, just I want to here's just same song. Just I want to copy this. Okay, just need to copy this song and just to paste here. Simple. But we need to try to check here the song the name will be should be same, and here also audio and mp3 will be same, and here also the controls it will be control the song. Okay, let's save, refresh. You can see it will be same, should be same, right? I think the audio songs will be all are audible, right? So just need to paste. Let's save, refresh. Wait a second. Let's save the browser. Yeah, it will be there. Okay, that's good. Okay, it will be like it will be open the song. Okay, and after that the next will be the song, next will be video tab. Okay, let's see how can do this the video. Okay, the video tag will be should be same here. Yeah. Okay, here also same, here is source. Okay, src it means it will be like just I'm giving here the video name is like here also Prabhas. Okay, Prabhas.mp4, here is the video, right? So just I'm giving here is mp4. Okay, here is video, here is video and mp4. Don't will be confused. Okay, mp4. And after that, let's see, here also same the controls. Okay, controls. Okay, let's see, save, open the browser, let's refresh. You can see video is there, but the video will be not be clear, so that's why it's not showing. Okay, just I'm already in that is there is a when the document file is there is a video, so just I'm showing this video. Here is there is songs, all our songs are right. Okay, you can see here the video. Here is Chinnari. Just I want to copy this one. Okay, and come to here button. Just need to give. Okay, you can see the video name is Chinnari. Okay, just need to copy this name. Okay, just need to copy, come to browser and come to code and just need to replace. Just need to replace. Okay, the song, the video song is there, so that's why it's showing playing. Okay, let's see. Save. Open the browser. You need to refresh. You can see. So please listen, guys. The song. So that purpose we need to take, but I want to the come in like order way. Okay, let's see how can do this in order way. Okay, we need to give here height and width. Okay, simple. We already are giving right here is our height and width. Okay, just need to copy this one and just need to give. Okay, let's see what are the images here. In the same image also it will be the same size will be right. So Just need to come code, save, and come to here, refresh. Let's see. In that image size also just I'm giving here. Same. So in that also just I'm giving in that also. Let's see. Let's save. If it will be both will be same. Okay. The songs will be placing, song will be played, and video will be, yeah. I think today we are the completed almost this H1 tags. Okay, and here is there is a paragraph tag and image tags and hyperlinks. Okay, hyperlinks, and here is audio tag and video tag. Okay, so tomorrow I will discuss the concept. Okay, tomorrow I will discuss concept. The next concept is like yeah, tags. Okay, the remaining tags are there, right? Okay, tomorrow I will tell you. Okay, okay, you can see here. Okay, I want to delete this one. Okay, I want to delete. Okay, I want to insert. I want to like yellow color. Okay, I want this one is yellow color. Okay, a simple concept that one. Let's just discussing that. Let's see. Just I want to delete this one. Okay, DL that. Okay, just I want to delete dummy instead of the delete. Okay, just you need to replace original. Okay, let's see. Save and open the browser. Just need to refresh. You can see the dummy will be cancelled, the version will be replaced. Okay, okay, the next one is just I want to highlight this one. Okay, okay, just I want to highlight like here to here. Okay, just you need to give the here is mark. Okay, mark tag. So what you, okay, just I want to control X this one, just you need to paste. Okay, let's see control S when the browser refresh. You can see in that will be, you can see in that will be the color will be changed. Okay, that purpose we need to use the mark. Okay, and insert. Okay, I want to underline. Okay, I want to underline here to here. Okay, I want to underline here to here. Let's see, just need to give here insert ins, simple. Okay, hit this one, right? This is to copy this one, control X, and insert you need to paste, simple. Control S, go to code, refresh. You can see this line will be underlined. Okay, so there is a lot of tags in HTML, but what are the requirement you have to, just I want to tell in that only. Okay, don't worry. Okay, in that tomorrow also I will explain here in this also. Okay, this one, and in that. Okay, tomorrow we will discuss. Okay, tomorrow what I will discuss, the select tags, option tags, table tags, and in that like it is a marker tags, a del tags, ins tags, subcategory tags, and subtags. We are discussing that tags. Okay, I think the mostly, and after that we will discuss the registration forms. Okay, how can you do this in the registration forms by using of HTML. Okay, let's do that without using of CSS. How can do this almost the tomorrow. I will close that in the HTML. Okay, 1.5 days will be required. Okay, 1.5 hour. Okay, tomorrow I think the most will be completed on HTML. Okay, regarding this you can ask me doubts. Okay, why I completing is in quickly. Okay, I will be focusing on only on real time work. Okay, I will be focusing on only the real time work. Okay, here is what I am telling here is how much knowledge, just I am telling here how much knowledge you gain the knowledge that is required here only. Okay, so we will tell you the real time work also, don't worry, we will do that. Okay, regarding this any queries you can ask me. Okay, regarding this you can ask me any doubts for regarding course and regarding yesterday classes, and regarding the course features, regarding prices, regarding like recorded videos, class notes, Yesterday class doubts, today class doubts. Okay, we will do that. Just need to give here is break. Yeah, yeah. Tell me. Yeah. So that's what I'm telling here, right? Let's see. You already created a website, but you already there is a image, but the path will be different. So that's why. Okay, you can see here also. Here also same. Here is the image is there. In that there is the image is there. Okay. Just I want to in that image photo1.jpg. We can see there is a file is there. You can see. Okay, you can see the photo one.jpg, right? Just you need to control X cut. Just I'm cutting here. Okay. Just I'm pasting here. You can see just I'm cutting here, just pasting here. You can see the photo one.jpg is there, but where is the file here? Where is the file? In that file, in the desktop. Let's see how can do this in a browser. Just need to refresh. Control S. Open the browser. Just need to refresh. The image will be not there here. Okay. So that is a mistake you do. So that's why I'm clearly explaining the image tag entire thing. Okay. So you already created. No. Actually, this is a class, right? So that's why it's not possible. Okay, you can you can call me on 8:30. We will do that in screen share. Okay, don't worry. That's fine. Okay, here is class. So that's why don't share the screens. Okay, okay. Here is there is image, but it will be not show. Why it not show? The file will be not there in that file, particular file. Here is there is no file. So that's why you need to control X. You need to drop on that. Just need to just drag. Let's see. Browser. I'm not changing. Just refresh. Simple. Simply it will become. Yeah. Regarding any doubts, everyone. Okay. Regarding any queries. Regarding course fees or yesterday classes or regarding classes, the class notes like that. I think all are clear. That is fine. Yeah. Yeah. So that is a two different here. The video recording is different. Amount will be different. The class will be amount will be different. Here is we are charging the 749 rupees for the only class and notes. Okay, class and notes we will be providing on 749 rupees in Indian rupees. If you want to recorded videos also, you need to pay the triple nine. We need to give the videos and class notes and like the coding knowledge also, the coding class also. What will be writing here also in that also you will provide. Okay, and the who are the paying the money? The paid candidates will be the receive the link. Like the tomorrow is last class demo class. Tomorrow is the last demo class. Okay, after that the link will be changed. Okay, the who are the paid candidates? The paid candidates will be receive the links only. Okay, and here the compared to other institute and me. Okay, here also we will provide the certification also, and here also we are giving the placement, and that is only depends upon your interview, but here is the providing the interviews and how to crack the interviews and how to the questions will be asking the interviews. Okay, how to how to crack the interviews in a MNC company also. Okay, not in the little bit in the middle of companies. We are the focusing on the MNC companies. Okay, don't worry about that. The interest will be will provide that. We will the clearly discuss. Okay, that's why we are telling the real time only. Okay, when the topic will be closed. We will tell you the real time also. Okay, how to use on the real time work in HTML, the CSS and Bootstrap and JavaScript also. Okay, we are providing like that. And regarding inquiries, yeah, 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 Mohit. No, tomorrow is also free. Okay, you can join tomorrow also in that same link and same time. Okay, and tomorrow is the last demo session, and after that we will change the link. The paid candidates will be receive the link only. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, regarding inquiries, anyone? We are providing this. Okay, okay, we are providing this. Okay, here is providing here is job assurance also. Okay, who are the trying to job getting a job in the freshers are like experience. Okay, experience also we will guide you. Okay, how can do this in like experience level also. Okay, and here also we are giving here certificate also we will give. Okay, we will provide certificate also, and the recorded classes, okay, are available, but the different amount charging, we are charging the different amount, that is a triple nine. Okay, you can see here. Okay, here you can see